Great. Thanks, Melissa. So Tom Leaf, Fundstrat's founder, did a little interesting study looking at how Bitcoin behaves around consensus events. So if we go back to 2015, as was pointed out before, there were 500 people at the conference. Bitcoin moved up about 23%, which is not a huge amount given how volatile cryptos are, but then it continued up into year end for about another 100% move. When we get into 2016, a bit of a smaller move around consensus, but you can see that that was a point where cryptos began to accelerate as well. There was about a 10% move here, and then it went up for another 80% or so. And then we get into 2017, really sort of a very high-profile event. Lots of people involved in crypto stock. The cryptocurrencies are moving around, very volatile. And we come into this period here, and you get a 69% move in the week that consensus is on. Pulls back a little bit, and then obviously we had that big run into year end. So what are we looking at this year? Well, if you think about where the 40-week or 200-week moving average is, or 200-day moving average is, on the 40-week, Bitcoin is just pulled right back to support and starting to turn. So we think this is an intermediate term, multi-month low, which brings us into the next picture, because in the very short term, as we discussed just a week ago, Bitcoin's had a big run. It's up almost 50% into its 200-day, and literally on Saturday, it reversed off this level and is beginning to pull back. So there's really a bull bear scenario developing where folks are arguing that it's going lower. Our view is this is a much bigger bottom that's developed. And if that's the case, this pullback is going to be relatively shallow. It's already pulling back from the 200-day. It's sitting just above the 50-day moving average. So between 8,800 and 8,200, I know that's a big range, but that's where we see support, and we think Bitcoin continues higher from here.